his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and
Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be decluttering and organizing my pantry. I have done a video like this in the past, but I've come up with some new ways to pull things out of the pantry and put them in places that will open up a little bit more space for everyday items. So I'm hoping that this system will work much better than the last system. But I do find that my pantry is just one of those areas that I continually have to look through and organize and declutter. So if you like videos like these and you're new, I would love for you to join me here on my minimalist journey. I'm definitely a more beginner minimalist, but I'm learning as I go. And hit the notification bell, the subscribe button, so that you don't miss a video from me. And I hope you guys enjoy today's pantry declutter.
yeah, I know that it's real, cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna nah, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be
I was actually kind of laughing as I started taking out cleaning supplies that my husband, I guess we had gone and done a big Costco run, and he put those in the shelves, and I didn't even know that they were there. So I'm super glad that I found those, but also just wow, I had a lot of stuff in here that I did not know that I had, and a lot of outdated food, which I was really upset about. So I'm hoping this new system, that stuff will not happen in the future.
fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Okay, so I pulled everything down from the pantry except for these items right here are going to stay where they are, so I didn't want to pull them out and just have even more clutter because I don't have another space for those. Now, I already did some pre-organization a little bit before I did this. I moved some of the stuff that I had into some of these cabinets right here, and I made space for my baking goods to go up here because that was just taking up too much space. But, ooh, it is storming here at my house, so if you hear thunder, I apologize, or my little 3-year-old running around. But this is everything out of the pantry now. So I'm just going to try to get myself organized as to how I want to put everything back in there. I haven't had the best luck with keeping it organized, as you could see, because I've done a pantry organization video before, but this is it. So here we go. We're going to start organizing.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Now, I'll be completely honest with you guys. As I started this project, I had some idea of things that I wanted to do, but right here, I'm just kind of going through what I have, looking for outdated things, things that I know I want to keep, and kind of trying to like put them together in categories. I think that's the hardest thing for me as far as the pantry is it's really hard for me to put things into categories. I don't know. Does anybody else struggle with that? But I'm just trying to get all the boxes and extra things gone, and then I'll start wiping down all of the bins and things like that.
Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to.
I do want to let you guys know that sometimes the camera angles change or the camera starts to shake. My little 9-year-old was helping me film. He loves doing that, but it was just kind of funny how things I was going back and editing and some of the angles kind of changed. So I hope that you guys don't mind.
Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Now I'm kind of getting everything back in order. I'm almost to the very end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. This was a quicker one for me. I actually thought it would be a little bit longer, but I guess I got it done faster than I thought. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave me a comment down below. I love talking to you guys, and I love to hear about your decluttering stories. Have a fabulous day, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. sunrise, sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.